Okay, children, all of you take your to the activity books. Class 2, activity book, page number 44, our clothes lesson. Our clothes lesson. Our clothes lesson. Okay, children. So let us see what is there in a activity book, our clothes lesson. Design your own clothes by coloring them. In your first page, 44th page. Page number, activity book. Page 44. See, in the 44th page you are having only coloring. Only coloring. What you have to do means you have to take your crayons and color all this. How you have to wear your clothes, all that colors. How you want to see all these clothes. You do on your own these colorings. Okay, children. So the here shirt, pant, cap, top and the skirt. Everything you only has to color with the crayons. Only with crayons, not with sketch pens. If you color it with sketch pens means the paper will get spoiled. Okay, children. So what you have to do means you have to take the crayons and color all this. Okay. So with by coloring we will complete this 44th page and take out the page number 45. Do you know the types of clothes we put on while swimming? While swimming. So collect the pictures and stick them. And collect the pictures and stick them. So while we are wearing, which type of clothes we will wear? Which type of clothes we will wear? All that clothes you have to collect and you have to stick it there. You have to stick it there. We use different clothes in different seasons. Paste the stickers. Here, the next one. We use different clothes in different seasons. Paste the stickers accordingly. See, children. Here what you have to do means you have to take the pictures what the dress we will wear while swimming. All the dresses you have to collect on your own from previous books or newspapers or from anywhere. And you have to stick here. If it is not there, no need necessary. It is not necessary. If you see here, we use different clothes in different seasons. Paste the stickers accordingly. Summer season, rainy season, winter season. So, we have to stick the pictures here. All of us we are having the stickers page at the last of this activity book. In the last page we are having the stickers. So, from these stickers you have to take this stickers and you have to stick it here. Summer season, which type of clothes we will wear? We will wear light color clothes and cotton clothes. So, where are the cotton clothes in this last picture? This shirt, pant, skirt, this Punjabi dress, all these are the cotton clothes. All these four are the cotton clothes. So, all these four you remove from here, this sticker you remove from here and take out and paste it here in the summer season. Okay. Now, rainy season. Rainy season. In rainy season, what type of clothes you will wear? Already we know. What type of clothes we will wear? We will use raincoats. This yellow color coat, raincoat, rain caps, rubber boots, umbrella. Yes or no? This yellow color raincoat, rain cap, rubber boots, umbrella. All these four you have to remove from here and paste it here. Okay, children. Paste only this rainy season box. And after that, winter season. In winter season, what type of clothes we will wear? In winter season, we will wear woolen clothes. Woolen clothes. What are the woolen clothes? See here. Sweater. This woolen sweater. Woolen cap. Socks. All these sweaters. And here gloves. All these you have to remove from here and paste it here in the winter season. Okay, children. In winter season, you have to paste it here. This is the stickering. After completing this page, take out the next page. Unscramble the words in the page number 46. Unscramble the words related to clothes and accessories and name the given pictures. See, here a few pictures they had given. And they had given the spellings also up there. But these spellings are mistake. They had given the mistake unscrambled words. First spelling, last spelling, first, like that they had given unscrambled. We have to write the correct spelling of these pictures. So, by identifying all these, we have to write the correct names. Okay, the first one. What is this first one? Sweater. This is the belt. And this is the coat. What is this? The hat, shoes, skirt, scarf, shirt, socks. All these, what we have to do means we have to write the correct spellings. What is this first one? The first one is the sweater. What is the sweater spelling? What is the sweater spelling? The page number 46. Sweater. S-W-E-A-T-E-R. Sweater. And the second one. The second one is a belt. B-E-L-T. Belt. And the third one. What is this third one? Coat. Coat spelling. C-O-A-T. Coat. And the fourth one. What is this fourth one? Hat. H-A-T. Hat. Fifth one. Shoe. S-H-O-E. Shoe. And the sixth one. What is this? Skirt. Skirt spelling what the S-K-T-I-R they had given. But it is a wrong spelling. What we have to write the skirt spelling? S-K-I-R-T. Skirt. And the next one. Scarf. Scarf spelling they had given S-A-C-F-R. But the correct spelling is S-C-A-R-F. Scarf. And next one. Eighth one. Shirt. Shirt spelling what they had given S-H-R-T-I they had given. But it is a wrong spelling. What's the correct spelling of shirt? S-H-I-R-T is the correct spelling. And the ninth one, last one. What is this? Socks. Socks spelling they had given S-O-K-S-C. But it is the wrong spelling. What is the correct spelling? S-O-C-K-E-S. Socks. This is the correct spelling. Okay, children. So, the first one is a sweater. Sweater spelling S-W-E-A-T-E-R. Sweater. Second one, belt. B-E-L-T. Belt. Third one, coat. C-O-A-T. Coat. Fourth one, hat. H-A-T. Hat. Fifth one, shoe. S-H-O-E. Shoe. Sixth one, skirt. S-K-I-R-T. Skirt. Next, seventh one, scarf. S-C-A-R-F. Scarf. Eighth one, shirt. S-H-I-R-T. Shirt. Ninth one, socks. S-O-C-K-S. Socks. Okay, children, with this we completed 46th page. 46th page. And coming to the 47th page. What is there in the 47th page? The different clothes and accessories are numbered here. Put the numbers in their corresponding boxes. So, they had given few pictures here. They had given few pictures and they had given the seasons also here. And they had given the numberings also. Down they had given rainy season, winter season and summer. So, what we have to do means by looking at all these pictures, this number one picture, in which season we will use. And this number we have to write in that season name, season number. Okay, children. So, let us see now that one. Page number 47. See the first one. Here they had given the rainy, winter and summer. Rainy, winter, summer. They had given three boxes, three circles. For this, 3. Winter season 3 and summer season 3. So they had given like that. So, by looking at this first picture, we can say this coat we will wear in a which season we will wear in a rainy season. So, the number 1 we have to write in a rainy. Where is the rainy? Here, the first one. Here is the number 1 rainy. Number 1 picture we will use in a rainy season. And the number 2 picture. Number 2 picture it is a sweater. Sweaters we will wear in a winter season. So, here number 2 winter season. Winter number 2. And this is shirt. This is a cotton shirt. This we will wear in a summer season. So, number 3 is here. And the number 4, it is a woolen cap. Woolen cap we will wear in a winter season. So, where is the winter season? Here, 4. And the cap. This cap we will wear in a, this is a normal cap to protect our head, our body from a heat. So, it will be, we will wear this one in a summer season. So, where we have to write means summer. Fifth cap is a summer season. And the 6th cap, it is a rainy cap. So, it will be, we will wear in a rainy season. And 7th one, this slippers. This slippers we will wear in a Which season we'll wear? We'll wear in the summer season. Yes or no? Yes. Normal days we'll wear. And coming to the rubber boots. Rubber boots we'll wear in a rainy season, 8th one. And coming to these woolen shoes. Woolen shoes we'll wear in a winter season. Okay children. So, pictures numbers 1, 6 and 8 we will wear in a rainy season. 2, 4, 9 pictures we will use in a winter season. And 3, 4 and 7. 3, 4 and 7 we will wear in a summer season. Okay children. So, with this we completed our lesson. Okay children. So, what you will do means all of you take out your workbooks and read our clothes lesson and etiquette lesson. We completed etiquette lesson and our clothes lesson. 2 lessons we completed. So, you will be having ST in these 2 lessons. So, what you have to do means you have to read all the question answers, fill in the blanks from your workbook and activity book, and also you have to read course books also. Okay children. So, with the help of your parents at home, all of you read out this etiquette lesson and our clothes lesson. Okay children. So, thank you children.